either one of them, you got to do some digging. And once you dig down in the ground, both of them are concealed. But one of them has a destiny and the other one does not. You bury the dead to get rid of the body, but you plant a seed so that it can go through a transformation of coming back up greater than it was when it went down. Oh, good God mercy. That's so good, I'm going to come over here and say it again. When you plant a seed, you're not burying it to get rid of it. You're planting it so that it can go through a metamorphosis and come back up better than it was when it went down. How many people in this room have come up better than you were? I'm better. I'm better. I'm better than I was when I went down. It was good for me that I've been afflicted. For had I not been afflicted, I would have never known the glory of God. I'm better for it. I didn't like it, but I'm better for it. I couldn't see down there, but I'm better for it. You see, I was planted in a dark place where my sight didn't work for me, but I'm better for it. Every time you go through something dark and you can't see your way out, remember you've been planted, not been buried, and when you come up, I'm coming up. I'm coming up. Brother right here on the come up. I said, brother right here on the come up. Is there any sisters in here on the come up? Are there any families in here on the come up? Are there any preachers in here on the come up? You already been through hell, already been through high water, already been planted, already been in a dark place, but just because I'm in place, don't expect me to stay in a dark place. Brother, right here. Write yourself a note. I have not been buried. I have been planted. I may be underground, but I'm not buried in this mess. I'm planted in it. I'm planted in it. And if I'm planted in it, expect me. Come back up again. And when I come back up, you won't recognize me because I'm going to be transformed by the experiences that